Hi my friends, it's Auntie No's Kitchen. This is just a video I wanted to share with you guys because you know I love to cook and I am a lover of cooking Asian food. So I just wanted to show you my little Asian pantry, all the things and everything I buy that goes into my Asian food has to come from the Asian market. I love H Mart, so that's where I go. And as you can see, yes, I did everything. All of these are my Asian ingredients. I buy the the chopsticks that I have. They're not disposable, so I don't want to know how to use chopsticks in this house as Caitlin. So my different soy sauces. Sesame oil is a really key ingredient in Chinese cooking because it's just a really key ingredient. It gives that nuttiness. I can't really explain it. Really can't explain it, but it's really good. This is my favorite brand. These are my rice wines and my mirin. Back here is my Korean sauces for doing Korean barbecue. Back there's my hoisin. Now Japanese soy sauce is different than Chinese soy sauce because Japanese soy sauce is made with toasted wheat versus Chinese sauce soy sauce is made with wheat flour. Now Chinese soy sauce is a little bit it's a little bit lighter. Japanese soy sauce, now Kiko Man is not it's not Chinese soy sauce. It's Japanese. It is Japanese soy sauce, so it's not Chinese. That's all, just my basic stuff. These are all a lot of my sauces that I use. Also for my Asian cooking. The thing about now, let me go back to these my sesame. Dark soy sauce. It's very hot. It's very, very thick. It's thicker than molasses. That is only used basically for color. Like if you're doing a fried rice or you're doing like a lo mein and you need your noodles a little more darker than what your traditional soy sauce would give, you just add a little bit of the dark soy sauce, but you have to be very careful with it because it is highly concentrated, very, very concentrated. And if you add too much, your food will be, it will alter the taste of your food. This is my oyster sauce. I add this to a number of different types of dishes. My mushroom flavored soy sauce. This is used in a number of different dishes. I have a premium soy sauce and I have a sweet soy sauce. I love my sweet soy sauce. I prefer my sweet soy sauce it's used more than my traditional soy sauces. This is my sweet chili sauce. This is my favorite brand of chili sauce. This is the only brand I buy. Only brand I would ever buy. If they don't have this brand in stock, I just won't get any. I would just come back. And the way I keep my pantry, when I use something special like these jars, like these two are my main go-tos. Now, like black pepper sauce, I can make that myself, so I don't buy the pre-made black pepper sauce or mushroom sauce. I make them myself. This onion paste is used in the place of if I don't want to use, like if it's causing for a chopped onion, I don't have an onion, I use the onion paste. I use this minced garlic because I cannot crush garlic even with something that's helping. I can't do that, so I use this is perfect. It works just as good. Like I said, Chinese fried spices is definitely something if you was into Asian cooking, this is something that you definitely want in your pantry. All of these, if you ever got into Asian cooking, these are your key main ingredients. You get these in your pantry, you know, the world is your oyster, along with your a lot of dry herbs and things like that. You can make anything. you know, Asian cooking. I don't dive into kimchi and exotic Asian dishes. I don't cook black chicken, but I can cook a lot of different Asian foods. I can cook Japanese, Chinese, and Korean. I'm not skilled in Vietnamese. I'm not skilled in that. But I just wanted to share with you guys my Asian pantry. So let me know what you think. Talk to you guys later. Hugs and kisses, and thank you for your support. If you would hit that like button, I really would appreciate it, and that subscribe button. Thank you. Bye.